If you're living the paleo lifestyle, I highly recommend becoming best friends with the cauliflower for two really important reasons. One is that it's super nutrient dense, including sulfur compounds that help the liver to detox. And second, it's pretty much a blank slate, so you can use it in a bunch of different ways and replace some of your favorite foods like potatoes and rice. Cauliflower is a little bit brown and crispy, so it's just about done.